Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these pastel candy hearts. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Not Milky White. Then for my stamping, I'll be using Cold Slate and filling in the hearts with Pinky Swear, Rest in Peach, Banana Medicine, Crime and Punishment, Too Good to Be Blue, and Serial Killer. For my stamping today, I'm going to be using the BM317 plate, and I'm going to be applying cold shoulder in the opposite direction that I'll be scraping. Then scrape and pick it up with my stamper. Make sure that it's got a nice transfer on there, as well as remove any little extra bits. And then I'm just going to be working directly out of the bottle for this one since I only need a small amount of polish, and going just directly with my small brush to fill in each heart with a different color. Going to make sure this has enough time to be a little bit tacky but mostly dry, And you can check the view from the other end of the stamper to make sure that you filled in all the gaps. I'm going to use just a little bit of a sticky base coat, in this case long-lasting base, to make sure that the base color is tacky enough to grab the stamp. So not even a coat, just a very light dabbing. And then I'm going to go ahead, actually I'm going to give that just a second to dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and stamp on the hearts. You can use a nail tool to clean up around the edges a bit, and I will probably come back later and also clean up with a little bit of acetone again. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a quick dry top coat. And as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. That will also help smooth everything out. And then I'll be topping it with matte top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. I didn't want to actually call them conversation hearts because I wasn't going to put any words on them, but that is where the inspiration started, and pretty much from that point I knew that I wanted to make them matte. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can follow at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.